Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Nomad Goods is a company that is focused on making top-quality accessories, such as leather cases for mobile devices, and the latest being beautifully designed leather AirPod Pro cases. But in the midst of the coronavirus pandemic, the company dramatically moved to help, creating a clean room factory to produce surgical face masks where iPhone cases previously were made. And it did it in less than a week. CEO and co-founder Noah Dentzel says hundreds of thousands of masks are being shipped at cost, with the priority going to medical personnel and first responders.
We're trying to adapt and we're trying to help out. So as long as we can help and be actually helping to improve things, helping to fight the spread of the virus, we're going to do our part.
Including assisting other companies to do the same. The website is nomadgoods.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations, and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.